Welcome to the best pick. The best Cricut Maker Blades are probably one of the most essential tools for any serious crafter looking to elevate their projects from simple cuts to intricate masterpieces, offering unparalleled precision and versatility across a vast range of materials, from delicate paper and vinyl to sturdy fabric and leather, ensuring that every design is executed flawlessly and efficiently, making them an indispensable asset for both beginners and seasoned professionals seeking to push the boundaries of their creative endeavors. Number 5. Cricut Scoring Wheel Combo Pack Maker Tool. Achieve incredibly deep score lines for perfect folds and a flawless finish. It works beautifully on both thick and thin materials, ensuring professional results every time. This tool is designed exclusively for your Cricut Maker. Let your imagination run wild as you create intricate tags, beautiful cards, custom gift boxes, and stunning 3D home decor. Experience the convenience of the quick swap drive housing. Effortlessly switch between tools to tackle any project with ease and efficiency. From delicate thin paper to robust thick cardstock and even coated materials, this accessory handles them all. Scoring has never been this simple or versatile. Elevate your crafting with this essential scoring tool. It's the perfect addition to your Cricut Maker, enabling you to create with precision and ease. What we like? If you love creating 3D projects with crisp folds, this is for you. It creates extra deep score lines, ensuring perfect folds on both thick and thin materials. If you are looking for professional-looking tags, cards, or gift boxes, you should consider this. What people say. The Cricut Maker Blades are designed for precision cutting, allowing for intricate designs and clean edges on a variety of materials. These blades are engineered to work seamlessly with the Cricut Maker machine, ensuring consistent and accurate results for all your crafting projects. The adaptive tool system on the Cricut Maker allows for automatic blade selection and pressure adjustment, making it easy to achieve professional-looking cuts without manual input. Number 4. THANMAO 20 PCS Replacement Blades for Explore Air Maker. Introducing a comprehensive set of 20 replacement blades designed for your cutting machine. This pack includes fine point, standard, and deep cut blades to handle any project. Achieve perfect cuts on a variety of materials. Use the 30 degrees blade for thin media, the 45 degrees for standard materials like paper and vinyl, and the 60 degrees for thicker items such as fabric and leather. These blades are engineered for a seamless fit with popular cutting machines, including the Explore Air 2, Air 3, Explore 4, Maker, Maker 3, Maker 4, and Expression models. Crafted from high-quality carbide, these blades are built to last. They are sharper and more durable than others on the market, ensuring smooth and fluent cutting. For your safety, each sharp blade comes with a protective rubber cover. Remember to remove the cover before use and manually adjust the depth for optimal cutting. What we like? If you need a versatile set for various projects, this is a great value. It includes fine point, standard, and deep cut blades for thin, standard, and thick materials. If you want a cost-effective solution with multiple options for your cutting machine, you should consider this. What people say. The Cricut Maker Blades are incredibly sharp and precise, allowing for intricate cuts on a variety of materials. The adaptive tool system on the Cricut Maker ensures that the blades are always at the optimal angle and pressure for the material being cut, resulting in clean and accurate designs. The quick swap system makes changing between different blade types, such as the fine point blade and the rotary blade, effortless and fast. Number 3. Cricut Explore 3 Smart Cutting Machine. Meet the Cricut Explore 3, your ultimate crafting companion. It's designed to bring your creative visions to life with ease and precision. This machine works with over 100 materials, including vinyl, iron-on, and cardstock. Whatever your project, it's ready to handle it. Achieve flawless results every time. It cuts even the most intricate designs with incredible accuracy, making your projects look professionally done. But it doesn't stop at cutting. You can also use it to write, draw, foil, and score. Expand your crafting possibilities beyond imagination. Want full-color designs? It's compatible with your home inkjet printer for the print then cut feature. Simply print your design and let it do the rest. Get started right away with our free Design Space app. It's intuitive and easy to learn, putting endless creative potential at your fingertips. What we like? If you're looking for a machine that does it all, this is your best bet. It works with over 100 materials and can cut intricate designs, write, draw, foil, and score. If you want a single, powerful tool for a wide range of creative projects, you should consider this. What people say. The Cricut Maker Blades are designed for precision cutting, allowing for intricate designs with ease. These blades are compatible with a wide range of materials, from delicate paper to thicker fabrics, making them versatile for various crafting projects. The quick swap system ensures that changing blades is a simple and fast process, minimizing downtime during crafting sessions. Number 2. Niantime Premium Fine Point Blades for Maker Explore. Introducing our premium fine point blades, designed for precision cutting. This value pack contains 10 high-quality carbide blades. These blades are incredibly easy to install and remove. For your safety, each one comes with a protective cap. Crafted from durable carbide steel, they ensure sharp, clean, and intricate cuts every time. Save time and materials with their superior performance. Perfect for a wide range of thin to medium weight materials. Use them for paper, cardstock, vinyl, iron-on, and more. These blades are fully compatible with your Maker and Explore family cutting machines. Experience seamless integration and exceptional results. While excellent for detailed work, consider slightly larger or less detailed cuts for thicker materials. This ensures optimal performance due to the blade's necessary rotation. What we like. If you need precision for detailed paper crafts, this is an excellent choice. These premium fine point blades are made of high-quality carbide steel for sharp, clean, and long-lasting cuts. If you frequently work with thin to medium weight materials and desire intricate results, you should consider this. What people say. The Cricut Maker Blades are essential for achieving precise cuts on a variety of materials, including fabric, leather, and balsa wood. The knife blade, in particular, is excellent for thicker materials that standard blades struggle with. The scoring wheel and double scoring wheel attachments are fantastic for creating clean folds on cardstock and other paper crafts. They make intricate designs much easier to assemble. The rotary blade is a game changer for cutting fabric without a stabilizer. It glides smoothly and produces clean edges, making quilting and sewing projects much more manageable. Number 1. Cricut Knife Blade and Drive Housing. Unlock a new level of crafting with this powerful tool. It delivers seamless, precise cuts through thicker and denser materials, expanding your creative possibilities. Crafted from premium, durable carbide steel, this blade ensures precision for intricate details. It's designed to handle your toughest crafting challenges. Seamlessly integrate this accessory with your Cricut Maker machine. Simply cut your designs and apply them to your projects with ease. Effortlessly cut through a variety of materials like wood, leather, and chipboard. Create unique projects such as puzzles, models, and leather goods with added dimensions. Make crafting fun, simple, and quick with our smart cutting machines and accessories. Fuel your creative fire and bring your ideas to life right at home. What we like. If you want to cut through tougher materials like wood, leather, or chipboard, this is the tool you need. Its durable German steel blade is designed for precise cuts on denser materials. If you are looking to create more advanced projects such as puzzles, models, or leather goods, you should consider this. What people say. The Cricut Maker Blades are essential for cutting intricate designs with precision. These blades are designed to work seamlessly with the Cricut Maker, ensuring clean and accurate cuts on a variety of materials. The quick swap system allows for easy changing of blades, making it convenient for different crafting projects. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.